Good morning, I'm Emily.
And I am Taylor.
Welcome to your local weather channel. Today we will be talking about air pressure and wind and ocean currents. So, let's get started. Let's go to Taylor for some information on air pressure.
Thank you, Emily. Air pressure is the weight of air pressing down on one area. To find out what the air pressure is, you will use a barometer. If you record data for a whole week and realize that the air pressure is falling, it means that there is probably a storm coming. But if you realize that your data is rising, it normally means that the storm is either going away or fair weather is already there. Looking at the bigger picture, areas with highest air pressure are called highs and areas with the lowest air pressure are called lows. That's all from back to Emily for wind and ocean currents.
Thank you, Taylor. Wind, or moving air, is caused by the difference in air pressure. So, when the difference in air pressure is high, you will have a greater wind, and if the difference is not that significant, then there is little to no wind. Local winds are for local weather, and global winds circle the Earth in wide belts. To determine which direction the wind is going, you will use a wind vane, and don't forget the way the arrow is pointing is the way that the wind is blowing. You can determine the wind speed by using an anemometer. The two types of cold currents or cold currents move from polar regions to the equator, and warm currents, which move from tropical equatorial latitudes to polar regions. That's all for today's show. Thanks for watching.